take the last remaining stronghold of Al-Shabaab, which is in Kismayo. The Somali armed group has been losing some ground in recent months, but it's feared that the fighters may be being driven underground, and that would spark a long, drawn-out guerrilla war. Nazanin Moshiri reports from Afgoy.
For 5 years, the town of Afgoy was under the control of the Somali armed group Al-Shabaab. Farmers gave the fighters half their crops in taxes, and young people like Molid Mahmoud were forced to join their ranks.
If someone was caught smoking a cigarette and listening to music, they would be sent to jail at night. They would be beaten in their cells, and then in the morning, they would be beaten again in front of the people.
Al-Shabaab has suffered some major losses recently, including one of its main training camps, a former prison known as Lantaburu, 40 kilometers from Mogadishu. This is where recruits were taught to build trenches in the desert and shoot at long range. Where do you think they've gone now, the people who are here?
Most of them have gone to kilometer 50 and the Marak, which is the southeast of this area.
And do you think they'll come back?
They continue making progress, but they can't succeed. They cannot capture what they have captured, never. They will never.
Most of this progress is because of the African Union forces. There are almost 18,000 troops in the country. A third of them are Ugandans. Al-Shabaab used to be able to use the threat of foreign invaders to rally people. Not anymore.
I think they have lost the support of Somali people, and within themselves they have differences. You know, some of them are just Al-Qaeda, and some of them they have national agenda.
The US has offered millions of dollars for information leading to the location of 7 of Al-Shabaab's commanders. There is evidence this pressure is pushing the group north into Puntland, an autonomous Somali state. The forces of Al-Shabaab may be scattered and weakened, but this is not the end of the armed group. The fear is now this could turn into a long and destabilizing guerrilla war. Most people in Afgoy want Al-Shabaab to stay away, but there are concerns about law and order. There are complaints transitional federal government forces are taking money from people. We filmed this woman who says she's been robbed by these soldiers. Somalia needs more than just a military solution. Without a stable and credible government, these people will never have peace. Nazanin Bashiri, Al Jazeera, Afghanistan.